It's Intense 5 time, let's go. Maka Diamond was flagged on IG for her topless pic that was posted. I think it's a part of her new video, but Instagram said, no Maka, that now work.
The Angel has reported a series of racy pics featuring her face to the Cybercrimes Division. She says her face was photoshopped on the images, but she's going to let the law deal with it. Good luck, girl.
Guess who's a Lakers fan? Riri. She and her friends had a little celebration in what looks like a driveway. Congrats to the Lakers and their fans. Kobe would be so proud.
JDF soldiers transporting drugs. Say it ain't so. Unfortunately, it's very true. 2 soldiers were arrested after the JDF vehicle they were in was intercepted by police. There was a shootout, but luckily no one was hurt. Over 1,500 pounds of ganja was seized.
Yeah. And finally holding the spot. Yep, after what was a wild birthday, complete with dancehall music, a Rolls Royce, a billboard, and I'm sure loads of other things, Cardi B and Offset are back together. Cardi says sometimes she's crazy and does stupid things like file for divorce. Well, them really dysfunctional for you.
Yeah.
We wish them all the best.
Yeah, can't watch nobody still.
That's it for the Intense 5. I'm sure there will be lots more next week. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense.